welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone who owns a WordPress website: how to detect malware redirect hacks. Malware redirects can damage your website's reputation, hurt your SEO, and compromise your visitors' security. But fear not, we're here to help you spot and eradicate them. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a malware redirect hack? Well, it's when a malicious script is injected into your website's files, often hidden within the code. This script redirects your visitors to another website, usually a shady one, without their consent. Let's go through the steps to detect and remove these pesky hacks. Step 1. Monitor your website's traffic. Sudden spikes in traffic or unusual patterns could indicate a malware redirect. Use tools like Google Analytics to keep an eye on your site's traffic trends. Step 2. Regularly scan your website for malware. There are several plugins available for WordPress that can help with this, such as WordFence or Securi. These plugins will scan your files for malicious code and alert you if anything suspicious is found. Step 3. Check your website's files and database manually. Sometimes, malware can evade detection by plugins. Look for any unfamiliar code in your theme files, plugins, and database tables. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider hiring a professional. Step 4. Inspect your website's .taxs file. This file controls how your website handles requests. Malware often adds rules to this file to redirect traffic. Look for any unfamiliar code, especially redirects to suspicious websites. Step 5. Keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated. Developers regularly release updates to patch security vulnerabilities. By keeping everything up to date, you'll reduce the risk of malware infecting your site. Step 6. Harden your website's security. Use strong passwords, limit login attempts, and implement two-factor authentication. Additionally, consider using a web application firewall, WAF, to block malicious traffic before it reaches your site. Step 7. Regularly back up your website. In case your website does get hacked, having a recent backup will allow you to quickly restore it to a clean state. Many web hosting providers offer automatic backup services. Now that you know how to detect and prevent malware redirect hacks, let's talk about what to do if your website does get infected. If you discover malware on your website, don't panic. Here's what you should do. Isolate the infected site. Take your website offline to prevent further damage. Clean the malware. Use a reliable malware removal tool or seek professional help to clean your website's files and database. Patch the vulnerability. Identify how the malware got onto your site and fix the security hole. Request a review. If your website has been flagged by search engines as malicious, request a review to have it reevaluated. Monitor your site. Keep an eye on your website for any signs of reinfection. By following these steps, you can effectively deal with a malware infection and get your website back on track. That wraps up our guide on detecting WordPress malware redirect hacks. Remember, prevention is key. Keep your website secure, stay vigilant, and regularly monitor for any signs of trouble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on website security and WordPress development. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe online.